Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. And this video I will explain step by step how you can check your blood glucose with this freestyle uh, machine. So I will bring my camera close and I will show you everything I have to check blood glucose, and we will walk through step by step how you can check really easy and quick. Now let's start. So now we have all the supply in front of me. What we require to test the glucose and where it comes with the machine. First thing, I have this carry bag. You can put all the supply inside and you can take it with you when you are traveling, because the people have a high blood sugar. They really need to test their glucose almost every day. The second thing I have here, they are like alcohol pad. Before you take blood out of your finger, you need to clean, you need to disinfect. And then we have a glucose monitor. This monitor is made by Freestyle Lite, and as soon as you put a tester strap inside, this machine will come on automatically. Also, this one I have a calibration liquid comes with it. If you don't use your machine for a long time, then you need to calibrate your machine or you need to test. This one I have a lancet. It's gonna poke your finger. Then we have a tester strap here. Tester strap also comes with expiry date. Before you use, you need to make sure your test strips are not expired. Then last thing we have here is called lancet. It also have a little needle gonna poke your finger to take blood out of your finger. They have a little cap front of that to protect. Those lenses we are going to load in this machine. This is like a trigger gonna poke your finger. As you can see in the middle, there is a number count from 1 to 4, and the side you can adjust those number 1 is really low, number 4 is really deep. Needle gonna poke you on your finger, you can adjust accordingly. I always set to number 3. That's enough to take blood out to test with this monitor. So simply you take a cap off and lens it. You can just force inside, they will stay. And once you load your lancet, just pull this trigger back in. As soon as you press button, this little needle will jump and poke your finger. This little cap, we're gonna take it off from the needle. Put this cap back. It have a hole in the front where the needle gonna come out and go back. Let me show you how it works. As you can see, as soon as I press button, it just jumped. I loaded it back again. Now we're gonna keep this one here ready. I'm going to open one of alcohol pad. When we need to take a blood out before we poking finger, we are going to clean one time. And I don't need to calibrate my machine because I usually use almost every day. If you not use for a long time, then probably you need to put tester strap and put this liquid on it. It will tell you if your machine is working good or not. So now I'm going to take one tester strap out. If you see this tester strap, one side is narrow side and other side is wider side. Wider side have a little metal pins on it. Those one is like going to inside the machine, and other side we have a little drops, which one indicating you have to drop your blood at this place. Now you just put a tester strap inside, and as soon as you put tester strap, a machine will come on and there's a little drop sign will start fluctuating. Now I'm getting ready my finger. I just cleaned with the alcohol pad. Then you put your machine on, just press button, and here we go. We got a little blood out. First drop I cleaned it out. Second drop I'm going to touch to the machine. Tester strap I have loaded already at the front. As soon as it senses your blood, it will beep and start reading some numbers. It will be really quick. You can see now some numbers, 129. So I have already drink the coffee, that's why it shows me 129. If you have not any issue like no sugar or a glucose issue, then you should be between 90 and 110. So far that's the way you can test your glucose. You can monitor your blood sugar. Really easy, really simple, and that's take about like 5 minutes. Now next step is very important. After you test all the supply you have used already, we have to dispose really carefully. If you are checking somebody else's blood glucose, then you need to use gloves and all the precautions. At this point, I will say I'm not a medical guy, medical person, so check your state and city guidelines to dispose all the supply. And needle, you can put same cap back and it will protect this needle so it's not gonna poke anybody else. Really simple, you put cap back, take your needle off, and you can put this cap back, store your all supply and dispose these supplies according to your city state guidelines. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.